everyone, this is Drishti and in this video, we'll discuss how to redeem the gift cards at the retail stores. Before beginning the demo, we'll first understand that why there is a need to redeem the gift cards at the retail stores, even if they can easily be redeemed online. So guys, when we talk about this feature of redeeming in the gift card system, this feature will extremely help customers to redeem the gift cards at the retail store, provided that if the customer don't want to redeem the gift card online, he or she can do it very easily. Now let's say there are two friends, Alice and Maria. Alice purchased a pair of shoes and got a gift card having the coupon amount of $50. Now Alice gave this gift card to Maria. Now to redeem it, Maria don't want to redeem it online because before making the product purchase, she wished to analyze the performance and the product quality as well. So for this, she preferred to get it redeemed at the retail store. And yes, this is how this feature excels. In this video, I'll discuss how does this feature works to help the online merchants and delight the customers as well. This is the shop to scan the gift card. And as soon as the gift card is scanned through the QR code, the coupon code will automatically be entered as shown here. Now clicking on fetch card details will fetch all the gift card details, that are coupon amount, expiry date and the usage limit of the gift card. Now to redeem the gift card amount that you wish to redeem, you have to enter the amount. So let's say we enter $25 and then click on redeem. Coupon has been successfully redeemed. Now let's say you enter the amount of $10 and then click on redeem. So the coupon is successfully redeemed. To recharge the coupon, you will have to enter the amount. So let's say if you want to recharge with $10, so enter the same and then click on recharge as we do. So the coupon has been successfully recharged. Now let's say if you want to recharge with $50, so enter it and click on recharge. So the coupon is successfully recharged. And yes, this is how quickly it works. So guys, you must have observed that how easy and quick these steps are to redeem the gift cards at the retail stores. Now guys, we'll discuss the two broad methods that you can use to use this redeem link. So the first method is that you can use the redeem link as it is. So for this purpose, you'll simply have to go to the redeem link. You have to use the login credentials that you have got in the received email, and then after that, using those credentials, you have to log in and then you can start a scan, fetch and redeem and recharge of the gift card. The second method is that you can use the redeem link either in a web store or a POS system or on any platform that you wish to use. Simply for this purpose, you will have to use the embed code and use it on any of the platform where you wish to redeem the gift card. So guys, these are the two broad methods that you can use to redeem the gift card easily. Yes guys, one thing more. If you want to try out this exciting feature of scanning and fetching the gift card details in your gift card system, so simply what you have to do is you have to visit our video description below, and therein I have mentioned the link of the live demo. So simply you have to go there and try out this feature in your gift card system. So guys, this was all about the demo. So guys, you can put all your queries in the comment section. We'll feel glad to respond to you. And I have mentioned all the related links of this demo in the video description. You can just have a look. So guys, if you like this video, just do like it and share this video. And yes, do not forget to hit subscribe button to keep getting more and more interesting videos on the gift cards and the related functionalities as well. So guys, till the next video, thanks for watching as well as stay connected with us.